Hey guys, welcome back to Guinea's channel.
Yeah, so today we are taking this thing on a tour to San Francisco. I'm telling you, it feels...
Hey guys, welcome back to Guinea's channel. Yeah, this is a sneak peek of, our room. We're about to check out. We didn't show the checking in, but hey, let me show you the view. Yeah, you're facing the city, right in the city. Right in the city. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, right? Beautiful, right? Ooh, got about the bananas enough. Gotta celebrate like this. Just beautiful city, man. The city of San Francisco. Yeah, so we're checking out.
Otherwise, follow Gocar staff instructions. Leave the keys in the car. Check for personal belongings. Then close your rental.
Oh, this is about to be fun,
So my peep, welcome back. Yeah, so today we are taking this thing on a tour to San Francisco. I'm telling you, it feels like a motorbike.
Yeah, I'm so scared. And I'm doing
You can see the view over there. Very
Can you just flip? Just focus. Me, let me just be the one to tell them. Yeah, I'm not.
So what this thing does, it gives you a tour and it also
At the
explains...
light, continue on Marina Boulevard.
There you go.
We are
That's
going
like,
to stay on this road for the next mile and a half.
it gives you the tour of San Francisco, explains to you everything. If you pass somewhere, it gives you the
it's so
history.
loud, by the way.
It gives you a background, that's how things are. So, no, wait, I need to talk to my people here, So that's how it is. As you can see, the view is very spectacular. And I'm the driver here, so enjoy my drive.
With incredible new troops on Route route to the South Pacific. It was also used as an exit point for troops heading to Korea and Vietnam. In 1972, it was converted into an urban park and now welcomes over 1.5 million people every year. With incredible views of the along this stretch of road is some of the most expensive and desirable in San Francisco. But before you consider moving into one of these homes, you might want to know more about the land here. Like, why is it so flat, unlike the rest of San Francisco?
Right?
The marina was created by filling in marshland, partly with rubble from the 1906 earthquake and fire. In fact, 635 acres of marshland were reclaimed from the bay. The marina is named for the boat marina on your right, which includes the St. Francis and Golden Gate Yacht Clubs. Take a left up ahead at the stop sign onto Letterman. Coming up soon on the tour is an option to visit the Exploratorium. Scientific American magazine calls the Exploratorium the best science museum in the world.
Trailer for 2 hours.
Filmmaker George Lucas built the film studio and campus on your left and moved his operations here in July of 2005. Lucas built a public park on the other side of these buildings in exchange for political consideration to build his offices here. This park is a stunner and worth a return visit. Go left here at the stop sign.
Left.
Take a left at the stop onto Lion. Ahead to the right is Liverpool Lil's. This local restaurant was frequented by the late baseball great Joe DiMaggio. It has been a cornerstone of San Francisco for over 33 years, and it's famous for weekend brunch and dinner. Gocar parking is available.
Bado una split by the way. Kama kujua. That's why it's making that sound. Tukuje kula hapa inafaa poa. You're going in hard. What? A lot of things before we decided to go.
Truth be told, this is not even the crookedest street in San Francisco. That honor belongs to Vermont Street in the Potrero Hill District. But Lombard is for sure the more attractive of the two. City engineers in 1922 designed the 8 switchbacks to reduce the slope of the street from 27 degrees to 16 degrees, assisting cars of the day on the steep incline.
Yeah.
So it's good news for people, you know, at the Golden Gate. So this Golden Gate, I don't know the right statistic, but the statistic of how many people actually commit suicide at this bridge. You know, people jumping all the way down from there. It's really sad. It's really sad. But just something that we found out is that they're installing a suicide deterrent system. Jesus. Along, so I think this will really help. So it's gonna be like, I think somewhere there, and I think somewhere here, vertical barrier. At least to create a barrier that will be able to help, you know, with the reduction or reducing, you know, suicides and whatnot. But you know, if you know me, you know I'm a big champion for, you know, for just saving lives and stuff like that. So it's something special, you know.
Shorty's making a wish.